everybody, we promised and now we're delivering. Here we are at the WSQ Quilt Show 2023, and we're going to do a little tour so that if you have not made it in yet, you know what to expect and you know where to find us, which is of course the top priority in your mind. We are right as you come in the doors. You take a right into the first bay, and we're right here, so you can't miss us, and we're hoping you do come say hi. So let's take a quick tour. We've got a lot going on. What we're in front of right now is our main bay with all of the machines and such, and then we'll take a look at what else we have in the other bays. So we've got a long arm kind of on every corner. So if you are looking for long arms, in particular, this is a wonderful time to buy a long arm, really good deals. And so we've got our Janome long arm corner, our Baby Lock long arm corner, and then our Bernina long arm corner. And that's not to say anything about the Handy Quilter booth, but we'll get there. And then we just kind of have a scattering, honestly. It's a potpourri, and you got to come kind of hunt for what you want, which is its own kind of fun. We've got Janomes next to Berninas, next to Brothers, and Baby Locks, and Fafs, and Burnett's. And then anything that didn't fit on the table that you want to try out is in the cubbies. And so we've got even more, and those can be pulled down and sewn on. We just didn't have enough tables, despite how many booths we have this year. So let's take a look at kind of some of our special reps and some of the fun stuff on the tables. It's just a lot to look at. Here we are in Fafland. Katrina is here. She's obviously not here right now, but she's our special Faf rep. You may have met her last year. The coolest person ever, does really cool stuff with unusual fabrics, really takes advantage of some of the unique decorative capabilities of our high-end Fafs. Joy. And then here we are moving into Baby Lock realm. Joy just ran away. She said she wanted to be featured, but not gonna get her chance. She is doing something really cool here, so too bad she's not here to tell me about it. But this is organza on top of embroidery, and so this is the Baby Lock Solaris Vision on the big hoop. This is the 10 5/8 by 16-inch hoop, and we are just enchanted by the idea of adding organza to a landscape. It's really helping blend her colors, so that's what she's working on. She's been busy, look at that. I think she's using the quilt show to get her quilt done. So we've got over here our brother rep. So, two brother reps, one rep, one educator. And this is brand new. I'm touching it for the first time. This is the Brother Print Moda that we literally just got in. This prints your fabric. And Shannon, one of our reps, was telling me how people will design their own fabric or take a picture of a fabric that's no longer in print, and you can print it. It's like a printer, but there's a roll of fabric in there, and it's very bright and very crisp. So really cool. I have not gotten to touch that yet. This just came in. And then we've got our special brother section with our high-end top-of-the-line brother. Hi, Colleen. We're just doing a little
I'm
intro.
doing freestanding legs.
It looks lovely, and it's very Halloween-y, so it'll match your shirt.
So we embroider it and then we just wash out the lace, the water soluble, and we have freestanding legs.
That's so cool.
I know, it's fun.
And then we've got our multi-needle over here with Shannon. Multi-needles are getting more and more popular as people start their own business or want to embroider their own logos for their landscaping business and such like that. Okay, so that was that corner. I kind of shorted Bernina. We do have a special Bernina rep. Deep conversation with Joy. But he's doing our automation talk and our sit down. So he's new to me. His name is Lane, so he's very nice. So come chat with him. Let's go check out the other two booths, because now we've met all of our educators who are in this booth.
And this will go back and fill it in blocks. So
It never forgets where it stops.
All right, so back by popular demand, we've got our Arrow Furniture booth with a special Arrow Furniture rep. And we are having special deals on our sewing furniture. What's cool about Arrow is they do a lot of feature furniture with special features for sewers, like serger wings and print cabinets And so please come chat with our lovely reps. The chairs that we know you love are back on the same sale as last year, so they're $2.99 each, and they come in a lot of fun patterns, so those are available as well. And then finally, and this is new, we've got our Handy Quilter booth, because we didn't have Handy Quilter last year. And for those of you who say, you know, I've been in Quilting Bee all the time, we do have some floor models out here at the show that we have not had at Quilting Bee yet, including the Infinity 26, which has a huge throat. So you can see stuff that you have not gotten to see yet at Quilting Bee. And we've got special Handy Quilter reps, because you know when you ask me a question, you know, usually if it's about Handy Quilter, I say, let me go look that up. These guys don't have to do that. They'll answer all your questions. So really an opportunity to get some knowledge that we may not have been able to provide you, or at least me, if you came in to see me.
Just 10 to 5 tomorrow.
We don't have any fabric here at the show, but you know, the Quilting Bee is only 10 minutes away, and so please come by, see the show, run, you know, over to Quilting Bee. We are handing out buttons where if you visit us, and you have to chat with me, but if you visit us, you'll get 20% off button where you go visit the Quilting Bee with your button, you show it to them, and you get 20% off of regular priced fabric and notions when you check out. That's good today, tomorrow, and Sunday. And so you can get all your fabric and notions there. So this was our little tour. Hope you liked the look. You'll definitely have to come investigate for yourself. And we sure appreciate everyone who's stopped by and said hi. It's been super fun so far.